Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna, and this morning we're visiting with Dr. Kiersten Wise. She's with the University of Kentucky Extension Plant Pathologist there. Good morning, Kiersten.
Good morning.
Well, I'm so excited you're here today because you're going to talk about a school. It's kind of been a series all year long, but this is the last one for the year, and that's the CAT School.
Yes, so CATS is our Kentucky Agriculture Training School. And this is a newer program that we've had here at the Princeton location with the Research and Education Center and Grain and Forage Center of Excellence. And what we're really trying to do with this training school is provide hands-on opportunities for farmers and industry or crop advisors to come and get some more in-depth training on different topics, maybe a little bit more in-depth than you would get sort of at our annual field day.
And that's what I was going to ask, how this differs from a field day. A field day, usually we go out on the wagons, we see some of the research and hear from specialists about those topics. But this CAT school, you actually get to go into the field with the specialist and see some of the things, whether it be insect or disease related, and actually get a hands-on experience.
Exactly. And we love the field days. That's a great opportunity to showcase what we do and have a lot of people see it. But we've been asked over the last couple of years if there's opportunities for people to come and really see how we do the research or see sort of some in-depth things of what we're trying to achieve with our research. And so with the Agriculture Training School, what we have, we'll set up demo plots and have people be able to go into those plots, and we have little demonstrations where they can see the types of research we're doing. For example, in August, Dr. Travis Legleiter, our weed scientist, he'll have a herbicide symptomology plot. And so, that's a big question, is how can I tell if my soybeans have been injured or what herbicide was sprayed? And he's got a whole training just for that. And this gives us an opportunity to really do some of those in-depth trainings that we don't get to do at the field days.
And a lot of times, I mean, I'm a visual learner. If I see it, if I get to hold it, a lot of times I'll commit that to memory. And so this training would be great for agriculture agents or industry people or farmers who are actively cropping or scouting their fields.
Yes, exactly. So that it's at a level for really anybody. I mean, if you need a refresher in some of this information, all the way to if you're trying to learn new concepts. What I really like about the CATS trainings is that they start usually in May, and they're almost a series. So we start in May with sort of what you would see early season or what you need to be looking out for. And then each month through the season, we have sort of an in-depth training that's based on what we're actually seeing in the field at that time. Our research is changing every year, right? So we're always looking at new research. We always have new issues to tackle. And the CATS trainings really give you an opportunity to see those issues that are coming down the pipeline, or maybe like what we're doing here at the university to try to tackle some emerging issues, particularly in pest management. I think that's one of our key areas where we're trying to learn about these new issues before they become big issues in Kentucky and get that information out there.
Absolutely. Now, you mentioned at the August 12th training, Dr. Legleiter will have the herbicide injury plots or tolerance. And then what other topics are going to be talked about?
Yes, so I'll have some of my research on some of our new fungicide products. We have in-furrow fungicides, we have new products and new timings. So we'll have some plots that you can actually go and see how these products have worked, and we'll have some demonstrations out and things to be thinking about. And also Dr. Carl Bradley, who's our soybean extension pathologist, he'll have some demonstration plots out there so you can look and see what the latest and greatest is for soybean disease management as well.
You guys are asking people to pre-register for the event.
Yes, particularly because these are going to be a, sort of a specialized training. So we want to know how many people are there. We'll have to actually have a cap on how many people we can do these hands-on activities with. So it's really first come, first serve registration, and that registration will be open and at the website kats.ca.uky.edu. And pre-register, sign up early, make sure that you can get into the event. And then our coordinator, Lori Rogers, will send more information as it gets closer.
All right. Well, Chris, I certainly appreciate the information. And if this sounds like something that you're interested in, go to the website and register today. Thanks for watching and have a great day.